Hi, welcome to my home. Welcome to my apartment tour. This has been my most requested video ever and I'm finally doing it. I'm 2 months late, but I'm doing it because now Ida's here and we can do the whole apartment instead of not showing her room. So let's begin in the kitchen. This is our kitchen. This is our coffee station. We have a coffee machine, a frother and all our stocked coffee. Like we have a lot of coffee.
This is Aliyah's coffee that she makes in her machine. And this is the coffee that I make on the gas that will be shown later.
Yes. We have all our plates and bowls and some other stuff. Here we have our glasses and bottles. We have some like random cooking stuff like a chutney and a cheese grater and whisk and stuff. And over here we have pots and pans. This is our sink that was growing fungus until a minute ago. This is our random section. I don't know what is in this. There's baking soda,
NutriBullet.
Yeah, NutriBullet, baking soda, vitamins, baking powder, and like
protein powder
and all that random stuff. Here we have utensils, random shit, baking stuff. Let's move on to this area. Here we have all our spices, sauces, like soy sauce, random cookies at the top, stuff like that. This is our oils, our cooking stuff, and then our Indian spice section with lots of Indian spices that we never use. Then this is the gas, which is also where Ida makes her coffee with the mocha pot. And that's our oven, that's my aloo bhujia.
What about the other aloo bhujiyas?
That's all on the top over there. And this is a snack section, which is the most full section. We have a shit ton of snacks. Like way too many snacks. And then obviously fridge. I'm just gonna show you how messy it is because it's very messy. This is our dining table. These are flowers that Shane got me that I use in the middle. Just simple dining table, random ring light. Our most prized possession in this household is our Kinder Joy toy collection that we just started building. So it's not much, but
Why don't you open the
window?
Yeah.
Okay.
For our beautiful view and the noise.
Yes. Welcome to the living room. This is the beverage section where we have beverages for our guests. This is our couch. It's very cute, very pretty. It's pink and white themed. We have this tapestry from Amazon. Also, everything that I got, if I can find, I'll link down below.
Blankets.
Yeah, that's our blanket basket and our rug table. This is our TV and TV stand. The TV stand is the most random thing ever. There's just there's tools, but then there's also Kit Kat. So quite random. And then that's yoga mat. This is our storage. Here we have the Wi-Fi bags for some reason. Some extra Trader Joe bags. We have a vacuum. We have Tide Pods, extra toilet paper, dryer sheets, all that nonsense. Let's move on to the humble abodes where we sleep, where we study, where we rise. Let's begin with my bathroom though.
Where we study and rise.
Okay, the sound is very loud in the bathroom, so ignore it. This is my bathroom. Here I just have some I'm gonna talk loudly because this fan is annoying. We have skincare, toothbrush, toothpaste. I have just random other skincare extra stuff in here. My toilet and my shower. Let's move on to my room. This is my shelf, which is just stuffed with random stuff. I have my cameras here, my key, my bags. I have like my perfumes and my hairspray and random Uno cards and all that nonsense here. Then this is all my books, like school books, normal books, pens, extra stuff. And then there's my makeup and hair section. So I have my hair straightener, dryer and my makeup. And this is my desk, my jewelry stand, necklaces, bracelets, rings, earrings, clips, random stuff. My little cute little gold vanity mirror. And yeah, this is where I study. And this is my bed. Here we have my side table. I have a candle that smells really good that I got from Target. And I have these that I got from IKEA that were like $5. Here's my bed, sheets also from IKEA. This is from Target. I'll link down everything that I can find down below if you guys want to order cute stuff for your room. This mirror also from IKEA, and all of this also from IKEA, these balls and stuff. It's a very cute mirror, also very cheap. And then this, I got this, and the lights I got from Domify. I have just pictures of some of my friends and cute quotes, and yes. This rug is also from Amazon. Cute fluffy rug. This is my closet, which is extremely messy, so ignore that. Here I have like underwears, night suits, and gym clothes, and this is just random. Dresses over here. Then here I have like just tops, and then this is hoodies and jackets, and on top is all my bottoms, like my pants and skirts and stuff. And then my shoes are here. And that is my closet. It's a huge mess. Let's not look at this part. Nita will be showing us her room.
There is one box here, getting it out of the way. Ignore it. This is my, what is it called? Shelf. It has decorative things here along with hand sanitizer and this mirror, which was extra, so it's there. Here are some books that I rarely read. This is Kasha's Light that she stole. These are some of my masks. Here I have nothing, so I've put my water bottles because I drink a lot of water. Some books, a bag that I use every day, my plug-in thing, my bed, which is, I like it. It's well done right now. That is a poster, Grand Budapest Hotel. Some lights that I brought with me from India. My cousin makes them. Here is my picture wall thing, corner. A lot of pictures and Polaroids on top. This is my desk that I study at. This is like a bulletin board, which I have to put more stuff on.
There's me.
There's Aaliyah. Some more pictures. These are some boarding passes that I have. I put some of my school stuff here because I had an extra box and I don't have anything else over here to put my school stuff in. This is a little corner that I made. These are some more of my boarding passes and like everywhere I've traveled, some hotel room keys. That's my closet. These are some of my tops, sweatpants, shorts and workout shorts, normal t-shirts, full sleeves, my shoes, has a random towel hanging there, but shorts, skirts, pants, dresses. This is my bathroom, which has another mirror like this. Yeah,
That's a shower.
and this is where I keep my makeup stuff, jewelry. That's basically it.
This is our balcony. We have two patio chairs that we got to have coffee that we've done once, so now we will have to begin again.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's the balcony. It's pretty cold outside today. So that's it for the house tour, the apartment tour, not house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been very requested and I'm finally doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my room and Ida's room. It has a touch of both of us in there. And yeah, if you did, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.